In this tutorial, we'll test Hailuo 02 new AI video model, compare it to the previous version, and showing you exactly how it performs on both image-to-video and text-to-video tasks. Save your time, save your money, and watch this tutorial first. Hailuo 02 ranked 2 on the image-to-video arena leaderboard and performed better than models like Google Veo 3 and Kling 2. This model can better create realistic physical motions. It makes complex actions like acrobatics and dynamic movements look natural and believable. It can follow prompts better and shows strong understanding of detailed and nuanced instructions. With realistic physics and 1080p cinematic output, videos look more real and engaging. Faces remain consistent across frames, with less distortion or weird changes in their appearance. It handles fast motions convincingly with minimal distortion, and movement looks natural. If you want to create a POV shot that shows exactly what the character sees, include phrases like POV or first-person view in your prompt. When using the text-to-video feature, it sometimes gives good results, but often the camera shows the character instead of what the character sees. To avoid wasting credits, it's better to first generate a first-person view image and then use it to create the video. Hailuo AI can accurately show facial expressions in different situations. Just make sure to describe the emotion clearly in your prompt. Whether it's surprise, sadness, or laughter, it brings those feelings to life and create real emotions. To create a disintegration effect, describe the moment of impact, then say that the character begins to disintegrate into particles. To create a convincing selfie with Hailuo 02, include phrases like selfie shot, taking a selfie, arm extended toward the camera. For best results, generate a selfie image first, then use that image to create your video. This avoids wasting credits. Hailuo AI currently does not support 9:16 aspect ratio in text-to-video feature. To create vertical videos, start by generating a vertical image and then use the image-to-video feature. Time-lapse is a technique that shows the passage of time by speeding up slow changes in a short, fast video. To create a time-lapse, simply use the word time-lapse in your prompt and describe a gradual change over time. Log in to Hailuo AI website. You'll find the link in the description. Go to Video section. If you create a new account, you will receive 500 credits for a 3-day free trial period. In the Video section, you can use Hailuo 02 model in the image-to-video and text-to-video sections. Upload your image, write your prompt, and select Hailuo 02 model. With this model, you can create 768p quality videos with a duration of 6 and 10 seconds. It costs 25 credits for 6 seconds and 50 credits for 10 seconds. Hailuo 02 can natively generate 1080p quality videos that you need upgrade your account to use it. With this quality, it can only create 6-second videos and costs 80 credits. You can use built-in cinematic camera control that allows users to choose from preset styles or customize camera behavior for more creative direction. Try this new model, explore the available plans, and choose the one that best fits your needs. If you want to learn how to create videos with Hailuo AI, build consistent characters, and work with camera movements, check out my channel for related videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial.